Say in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we cheat, the distractions I repeat. I rub with the night with it. To what we be and the shit we pull up them style on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever but you nobody else not see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things me put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
Lie down, make a boil some ginger tea here. It will help with the headache and the belly ache. Cause me don't know where you come fast with me for all of this could have been prevented if you just leave me alone. But you didn't just see one come show badness and see they now look what I'm to you.
Uzi, you know say you really embarrass me in the streets in front of everybody. The man them not stop laugh after me.
Well, Bingy, me name I got turn up and make you beat me, just to save your pride, Yeah, me I lick your back. Even if you're strong and you're tougher than me I lick your back. Me I fight till the end. So nobody come things I mean I go turn up, make you come box me. So I go just take you and just to save your pride. No baby, if I come, you come to fight it out.
Lord God, my head not stop at me.
Well, you can come. Me can go to the doctor and make the doctor check if you have any internal bleeding. That is the best me can do. Come, make we go to doctor.
What kind of doctor? What me I go tell them say? My baby mother beat me up? Not a Ross.
Ross, see there? One need a pride thing. So because of pride, you not go to a doctor. Alright, Bingy, stay in a bed and rest. And I come fling up woman lick palm me. I come fling up lick palm me. Woman strength you have. See there now you in a bed. You in a bed and me turn up your soul. You in a bed lie down. So no way I do next time, Bingy. No way I do. Every woman you can beat. Well, not me, definitely. Hello, Romaine, my one and only.
Hey, love. I'm back home safely.
Aww, hon, I wish you didn't have to go. I'm here missing you like crazy.
I know, love. I'll be back before you know it. Susan, please don't have the baby without telling me. I want to be there in the delivery room with you.
Romaine, what are you saying? Baby, I will never do something like that. This is our first child. I want it to be a memorable moment. So you have to come. You definitely have to be there. I would never have this baby without you, honey. Don't ever think that or say that. Please. Yeah, break my heart now. Anyway, hon, I have to go now. Can you please call me in the daytime when I'm at work, please?
Why? Why when you're going to work?
Because my phone don't pick up at home. From Hurricane Ivan didn't come and Digicel cell tower blow down. And no, they not put it up back. So when me dey home, no signal me not have on my phone. I can't make her answer any call. Anyway, baby, me have to go now. You hear me? Call you later.
Mommy, can I talk to you, please?
Sure, Mia. What's up? You brush your teeth already? Me soon make breakfast. What's up? What you wanna ask me?
Okay, Mommy. Mommy, why were you being Daddy like that? Like he is really hurt.
Oh, Mia, your father is not really hurt. We were just playing a game. Your dad is fine.
What's the name of the game, Mommy? Can I play it with my brother?
No, Mia. No, you can never play that game with your brother. Oh my God. Okay, Mia, I'm gonna be honest with you. We weren't playing a game. I'm sorry that I'm lying to you, but what you saw that was happening between me and your father, it wasn't a game, and I'm sorry.
I know I saw Daddy crying. You hit him hard. Mommy, he fell to the ground.
I'm really sorry, Mia. You really was not supposed to see that. And what I was doing to your father was wrong. What we were doing to each other was wrong because we're not supposed to be fighting.
And Daddy hit you, Mommy. I saw your face turn red.
Oh my Mia, I must apologize again and again. We are sorry. What my dad was doing was wrong. We shouldn't have been fighting. We should have been sitting down and talk. But sometimes as adults, even as kids, these things happen. It's not supposed to happen. So we are really sorry. I'm gonna talk to you, man. Both me and your dad is gonna talk to you, okay?
Okay, Mommy. I am going to play.
Yeah. Remember, please don't ever do that to your brother or anyone. You hear me?
Okay, Mommy.
You see that dirty boy Bingy? Make my daughter see me and him a fight. I whoop. You know make my daughter grow up and think say any man can put their hand on her, you know. Alright. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am here to see Anthony Reed.
Are you a family member?
No, I am not. I just heard that he's sick and I came down here to give him some food because his mother is in the country and she is sick and she's not able to come all the way to Kingston to look for him. So me just do her a favor and bring some food come give him.
I'm so sorry, Mom. I'm only allowing close family members on the ward.
Well, I am kinda his girlfriend.
Kinda girlfriend? I've never heard of that. So what's your name, kinda girlfriend?
My name is Susie.
Oh, you are the great Susie. You are all Mr. Reed talks about. Pity you are a kinda girlfriend.
Well, it is kinda complicated and I really don't know how to explain it to you because I don't know how to explain it to myself either. So let's leave it at that right now. I'm just kinda his girlfriend.
He is in room 29, the first door on the left. You have 15 minutes. Visiting hours is almost over.
Peter!
Susie, oh God. You come look for me?
Peter! Why would I not come and look for you? Are you crazy? Just because me didn't kind of busy and me didn't really want to come for a long time. But you know, me didn't have a look emergency. But Peter, come on. As long as you're in Kingston, anyway you them would I come look for you. See them, I'll bring some stew peas for you. You know, me just stew and cook it and bring stew peas for you. Because me know so you're supposed to like stew peas.
Thanks, baby. And the nurse them say you're not coming. They even put up a bet. But me sure you did not come, so me not even did I worry one bit.
Peter, hurry up and eat up your stew peas. Look on your hand them. You come like you lose a lot of weight. They made a feed you in here.
So did you bring any clothes for me?
Peter, I am sorry, but I don't have any money to buy any clothes for you. The food are the best me can do right now. Me not have the money. I have to be paid my bills, and I don't have anybody helping me to pay these bills. So I am sorry. I wanted to bring you a suit of clothes, but me not have it. So I'm sorry.
That's why you need a man like me in your yard to work and take care of your bills. I am a hard-working farmer.
Talking about that, Peter, how may I get a ground provision them figure market go sell?
Well, you just have to wait until I get out of the hospital.
So, Peter, you know nobody a country we can go over your ground, go cut the pop chow them and the carrot and then get some more yama and sit in front of your friend them. You know nobody a country we can do that because we da go sell her, you know, hospital. So, you know, we could make some money. So when you come out, you have money to spend. So I think you should call somebody a country make them look at stuff them give me.
Well, I can ask my cousin to do it for me.
Well, call him and tell him to put the things them together and get some of the other stuff them from the other farmer. Just call him and tell him to put them together and maybe go down there for them. Call him, man. You know what money to spend.
But Susie, remember say me not pay them yet. And you see them thief the whole 100,000 from me.
Well, Peter, them just have to go understand. Then thief money from you And them have to just wait until they sell more stuff and you can pay them back little, yet them thief money from you and them sister you know the hospital, some nothing they can kill you for that. Them have to just wait till they put it together and give it back to them. That's why you have to give me more things for sell.
And you know, say me remember one of the boy, him ear bleach out, and me hear them call him killer.
Yes? Really? Are you sure about that? Anyway, call your cousin and make him look about the food stuff them and give me number. Give me number and make him call me when him put them together. Or you give me film number and me call him. Because if me with the pan in case, make him go look about it fast.
Boy, Susie, it's 2 piece tastes good. It seems like you stand up in night, girl.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it. I made it especially for you. Anyway, love, I have to go now. I have to leave right now.
Susie, you really are gonna leave me so?
Huh? How did you want me to leave you?
Not even a kiss?
Peter, now you're sick. Peter, you say you're sick. Peter, go on your bed, go lie down. Go lie down and rest your head. I will call you later and tell me when time your cousin look about this stuff them.
Susie, what go on, me G?
Killer, you know say this boy where you beat up the other day will take me money. You know say me see him a while ago. And he must say he recognize you. He must describe you and sitting.
Yeah, that he make him out, eh?
You know say me go want you finish off the boy, but me no want you do it yet. Me want you wait until me give you the signal. So me go call you and tell you when fi out the candle. But me no want you do it yet because me I use a light right now.